हेलो दोस्तों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम पढ़ेंगे सरफेस टेंशन। तो सरफेस टेंशन एक प्रॉपर्टी है लिक्विड की। अब ये लिक्विड की प्रॉपर्टी क्यों है? इट बिलोंग्स टू द लिक्विड, देयरफॉर इट इज़ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लिक्विड। अब ये क्यों होती है? इट इज़ ड्यू टू द इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्सेस ऑफ अट्रैक्शन। ये इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्सेस ऑफ अट्रैक्शन की वजह से होती है। और इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्सेस जो हैं वो बहुत ही अहम होते हैं। सरफेस टेंशन को समझने के लिए आप अगर फिगर 1 को देखें तो एक बीकर है, इसमें लिक्विड है। अब लिक्विड के दो मॉलिक्यूल्स दिखाई दिए हैं इसमें, उनमें फोर्सेस जो हैं वो देख रहे हैं। एक जो मॉलिक्यूल है दैट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन बिटवीन द लिक्विड स्टेट and surrounded by other molecules in all direction, while on the other hand other is surrounded by the molecules, but on the upper side there is no any liquid molecules present. So the interaction or the forces that are present at the surface are inward or sidewise. So this type of force that acts perpendicular to the direction, or we can say the force act per unit length, or we can also say that energy per unit area, is known as surface tension. So this type of force which act perpendicular to the direction of the molecule, perpendicular to the surface. So this type of force is known as surface tension. So surface tension, it is the property of liquid, and the unit of surface tension is Newton per meter or joule per meter square. It is actually the very important concept, and we can continue study on different concept like why the falling drop of liquid is always spherical in shape. Liquid molecules possess surface tension, and surface tension is due to the intermolecular forces that are present in between the molecules. So these forces also present at the surface of liquid. So this force is responsible for the surface tension. So the remember you remember one thing, that is surface tension always cause or minimize the surface area of any liquid. Therefore we can say you can see a sphere or spherical shape has less surface area as compared to the volume. Therefore, as a result of this, the liquid surface or liquid falling drop is always in spherical in shape. While on the other hand, you can see some of the insects which float on the surface of liquid and even walk. This is also due to the surface tension. Even though they possess high density as compared to water, but they can walk on water, it is due to the surface tension. This property of liquids helps some insects which are usually denser than water to walk on the surface of the water as shown in figure. So, this is also could explain the capillary action. So, let us talk about the capillary action. Capillary action, it is the process in which the liquid molecules move into the narrow tube in upward direction. So, this process is known as capillary action, is also due to the surface tension. So, we had talked about the forces, the intermolecular forces, the forces which are present between the molecules. So, these forces are really important in nature. So, there are two types of forces. One is cohesive forces. So, the cohesive forces, the forces that present among the same molecules, same substance. So, this type of forces is known as cohesive forces. While on the other hand, the forces that is present between the different molecule or different surfaces, that are known as adhesive forces. So, the capillary action occur is due to the more adhesive forces as compared to the cohesive forces. Therefore, liquid molecules move in a narrow capillary tube into the upward direction against the gravitational force. So, this type of action is known as capillary action, and it is also due to the surface tension. And also the same concept of surface area, because capillary tube is somehow has less surface area that is inside of the tube. So, the surface tension tends to minimize the surface area of liquid. So, as a result of this, the molecule move upward direction. So, this is known as this is due to the surface tension, or so the capillary action is due to the surface tension. It is one of the key factor that is responsible for the capillary action, that is the adhesive forces. Adhesive forces is a very important concept. If you have seen the two different capillary action, one of with water and other with mercury, so water appeared to be form concave meniscus, while on the other hand while on the other hand mercury appears to be form convex. It is because water possesses more adhesive forces as compared to mercury, and mercury possesses low adhesive forces and more cohesive forces. So it is due to the cohesive forces what mercury has convex meniscus, while on the other hand water possesses concave meniscus is due to the more cohesive forces. And it is very important to understand this type of concept. And if you like my video and if you understand my video or concept, then you can like my video and share with other friends and subscribe my channel, and also share with other friends for further information. And it is very important topic for the student which are particularly in the intermediate, and mainly this topic is concerned with the other science student, but mainly it is for first year, and also it is very important for other areas of study. And so thank you for watching my video till the end. Thanks.